Are you ready to make the perfect cheese board? Well, check this out. Start with blue cheese, grapes. I've got some Boursin cheese and some gorgeous olives marinated in herbs and olive oil. You can use any other kind of olives you like. Grab your favorite crackers, lay them out, and a little green mint, of course. Don't forget those mission figs. Cut them in half, spread them throughout. Grab the fig jam, spread that over the Boursin. If you like, try strawberry jam. I'm gonna stay with my theme here since we're going with fig. Of course, some coconut date rolls. These are just beautiful, easy dates rolled in coconut for added texture, color, and flavor. And now for some almond rolled dates. Again, great color, flavor, and added texture. So simple, so delicious. Finish it off with some beautiful Medjool dates. There you go. Make sure there's enough on there. And of course, Marcona almonds. Now, how easy was it to create this perfect cheese board? Pour me a glass of wine and I am good to go. For this recipe and more, go to unitedwithearth.com.